WWDC 2024, iOS 18 could offer App Lock with FaceID and dark-themed icons. iOS 18 is likely to add dark mode to the app icons on the iPhone's home screen. Apple is expected to unveil a feature that allows users to lock their apps while using FaceID with its forthcoming OS, which is likely to be revealed at the Worldwide Developers Conference 2024. In addition, iOS 18 is claimed to provide various AI features that might be known as Apple Intelligence. App icons with dark mode. According to a report, dark mode is expected to be unfolded on the iPhone's home screen. The Cupertino-based company claimed that it provides the iPhone with a display that's perfect for low-light environments. Recently, some elements of the home screen, like folder icons, have been impacted by dark mode. However, it is expected to be utilized for all icons with the iOS 18 release. The reports indicate that it might be restricted initially to first-party Apple apps. App Lock on iPhone. Moreover, iOS 18 is suggested to add a new feature to the iPhone, the capability to lock the apps. It's likely to let users lock their inbuilt iPhone apps like Mail, Safari, Notes, Messages, Photos, and more. These apps would require Face ID for authentication, probably including a layer of security. The Cupertino-based company currently allows limited locked elements like recently deleted and hidden folders in its Photos app and certain notes. The reports claim that the feature might also work with Touch ID in the iPhone's passcode. Apple is likely to unveil the App Lock feature with the iOS 18 developer update at the WWDC 2024 event.